Hey everyone, Lensman Oz here and welcome back to Astro Colony. So Astro Colony has had an update. Let me just really quickly switch over here and look at what it was. It's a small update, but what's really cool is a couple of these things. You're starting to get top right hand corner there, you can see it says, asteroid catcher, and you've got your buttons on screen. What I'm noticing is that certain things when you're building, for example, and I didn't notice this before, maybe I'm just silly, but it's now telling me down the bottom there what I've actually got in stock and a few other bits and pieces. I don't know, I feel like there's just some nice little quality of life stuff that's happened, and I haven't gone fully through the changelog, but I don't know if that was flickering before when they're turned off. But yeah, so far so good. Things are looking quite nice. I built a second one of these asteroid catchers, and I've just hooked the power up to it, and I'm going to collect up another couple of hello asteroids, because we need all the materials we can get. The more the merrier as far as I'm concerned. Some of that, and then maybe I'll just pick this one up here. So what I want to do now is just hook up the belts, and I'm hoping that I can run from here direct into there, and it's going to actually work itself out, because this pusher is pushing ice and coal this way. This will push ice this way and down into here, and then look, at the moment I can just use the ice that's in here to refill. So I'm kind of hoping... Hello? Oh, that's the one waiting to go in there. It's like, it's at head height. I'm kind of hoping that we can set this up thus. So I'll go here, here. And I hope this works. Fingers crossed, everyone. Yes, it did. Look at that. Automation. So everything that's being produced is now moving. Like that one, I only had 2 in there. So, but here comes some coal. Oh, nice. Straight over. And it's feeding over to there. So all I need now is probably maybe an ice one. Ice 1 or 2. Let's grab a second one if I can. Ugh. There's no other ice ones in range. Very good. That one's just taken that ice one in. Let's grab something else. And it's just a case of now pushing through and mining all the stuff up. So here comes some ice. It should turn right at the top of the belt here. Yay! So in here now we'll have metals and stuff being produced, and then as I need it I will grab it out of here. Alright, let's have a look. This is still telling us to do the next piece, which is ice and turning it into water. I need to build an icebreaker, which would be number 8. Now, I kind of... Looking at this needs like water fed into it. But I don't want to do that, so I'm kind of going to put it... Maybe we can have an alternator, something that just goes left and right. Like, anyway, I'll pop this here. So I've built an icebreaker. It's now telling me to store water in a water cell. And remember to connect them with pipes. So that's 6. So I'm going to pop a cell here, and then number 7, I need to make some what looks like iron pipe wire. Apparently we use wire. Let's just make 2 of them. Oh, and that will put that in here, and then we just need some power. So let's do... I've only got 3 left, so I need probably another... let's make another 5 of them. And then go and pick up some more materials. Control click to pick up items. Okay, so I'm just going to bring power. We don't need to go over the top, but I do want to start getting the power cables off the floor. So it might look a little silly, but there we go. Okay, so that's now working. It'll take ice and turn it into water. So if I like, I'll just grab. It's not. I've got 6 in my inventory. So, oh, let's push the right button. I maybe shift left click, and split the pile and put the 3 in there. Takes 10 seconds to turn an ice cube into 5 water. Now that 5 water should come straight out and into this tank. Here it goes. Alright, I guess the next step is to run the water over the top. Oh, I'm out. Let me make a couple more of them. Nice. And that water's flowing over to this. Now, eventually, we'll be able to use this guy to make oxygen. So if I turn him on for a second, it'll consume 10 water. I'm going to use the ice for the moment. All right, I'll just turn him back off. We need to work out what's next. You've got nothing for me. Let's grab a couple more. This needs to be automated as soon as possible, because this is a touch annoying. That's why I built the second one, so I can queue up a couple. I can't reach that one. Let's grab that one. Okay. Cool. Stuff's flowing. Let's open our tech page again. I could do booster, which just allows me to get round faster. Don't think there's anything else to that. A cosmic harpoon. What I'd like to get down to is this here, automated catching. But for that, we're actually going to need. We do need this engineering site, so we're going to have to get into engineering. Cosmic harpoon will allow us to bring other islands towards us, I believe. And then we can set up mining operations on them and belt stuff in. So let's start with this one. And we'll construct a cosmic harpoon. So it's got an iron deposit. It's got a carbon deposit. It's got copper. I'm just looking at the planetoids around. It's too far away. So if we want an iron deposit, the idea would be to then... It's this one here, number 4. Pop him there. And then let's hook up his power. I've only got 6 on me and... Alright, let's attract this planetoid. Yeah, so it says build another one on the planetoid to dock it. Now in the little bit of a playthrough I tried doing, I haven't been able to work out how to get this one to dock. Dock to another connector. But technically, this is just a tiny little island here. It's got a little bit of iron on it, which I could mine. But then you can also mine the dirt away. But let's see. It wants us to actually... I can do this. Yeah, no, I tried to do this and it didn't quite work for me. I don't have the materials. I need some more iron wire. That's okay. No, not that one. Can I get just 2 lots of that, please? I've got some dirt in my inventory now. I'm going to do... Yeah. Dock. Oh, okay, so that didn't work the last time I tried. Well, there you go. So now I could build, mines and stuff on here and start expanding out my platform. using connectors and connecting them in the right spot. That's really cool. So again, I'll go into not that button, this button. We've got mining here. If I click on this one, it allows us to construct a drill, which is this. I'm going to rotate him around. If I pop that there, this is cool because it's got like a power output here. Or actually, would that be an output or an input? Like, could I connect? Let's try this. Can I connect? Need more cable. Let me make another 3 of them. What I want to see is, can I make this across here? Oh, waiting for more. Oh, yes, it does. Oh, that's cool. So it passes the power through the dot connector, and then all I need is some belts to run the thing down. It's mining iron, processing. I don't know. I don't know how long or how much this will actually do, but I may as well. I'm not going to run belts for this small amount of iron I've got on here. But that's actually, it's a decent amount. I mean, like, we've already got 13. I can always like take that already and come on down. Pop some of these. Stop pushing shift. This is Minecraft. Let's connect up a couple more of these guys. You. And you. Nice. So now we so the more stuff we unlock, the more bits and pieces we can try and automate. Again, I could run belts all the way over and then connect them into the system somehow. I'd probably have to run it into here so it actually sorts. And then we can, reconfigure this and then also run out of here into storages and have things auto-crafting. Let's look at... Oop, that's not the button I wanted. I wanted that one. Let's start moving down. We've got 39 basic science on us. This one is going to take 6. This one's going to take 6. So let's do engineering. Build a lab in order to discover advanced technologies. I can do that. Let's see. Which one's the lab? That one there, 6. It's going to take 20 of the iron wire stuff. Got 4, we get 4, I need another. We'll do 4 of them. Need to pick up some materials. Ooh. I'm going in, very nice. Okay, so I'm sure my inventory's still crafting, isn't it? There we go. All right, let's rotate this guy. Because I believe it actually requires material to be pumped into it. I'd love to flip this. I wish I could flip it. But I'm pretty sure it requires processed metals. I'm going to do that. Yep, it requires 2 iron, 2 copper, and 12 seconds, and it will give us an engineering science. It takes 5 power. We are going to need to look at... Oh, hello. I'll take you. We're going to need to look at more power. Because this guy puts off, what, 10? This uses 2, so 2, 4. You're currently running, but you probably don't need to be. You were using 5. This one uses 3, so 7. So we're almost at the limit, and then this one is going to use 5. So I do need another generator. Yeah. How do the storages work? You have multiple ins, multiple outs? No, you just have one in and one out. So I would then need to... It's a blocker. Okay. 3's a pusher and 1's a filter. So I mean, what I could... Stop pushing that button. What I could potentially do is just convert this to being... So it's just going to keep pushing stuff in there. I'm going to build another one for the moment. This one may have to just be manually fed. Unless I can just... Let's have a look at the configuration of the pusher. It just pushes an item. It doesn't like alternate. The downside of this is the power connectors on the other side. That's fine. We've got cable up here. I've only got a few of these. Let's make some more. Wire. Come on, one more. All right, so that's on. Let's drop in here that and just get some producing. All right, so we were looking at, I think automated catching would be fantastic to get. So to do that, we're going to need construction first. So we're going to need at least 6 of the engineering. And then, so we're going to need 12. So I need 4 normal. Cool. So if I need 6 engineering, let's queue up another couple of asteroids because we're going to need the material. Again, wrong button. It's Q. Push Q to exit. Q to exit, everyone. More coal. Some copper. Okay. Excuse me. Let's look in our smelter. Really? 20 iron, 8 copper. If I go over here, if I halve this stack, and then that in there, we just need to hook up some power. As I said, it's all the way down here. And that was all my copper. Good, right? Let me make... I got 8. We'll see what happens. Up and over, I think. Well, nah, I'll just go this side. Yep, and I need one more set. Cool. So that's up and running, and that's going to make like 5, because I only put 10 of each. Until I can get some more material, let's jump in here and zip a couple more. These are going faster than I'm expecting, actually. Whether or not these guys are holding as much material as I need, or... Let's check you out. Holy dooly. Got 134 iron and a bunch of dirt. Are you just like... You're just mining it to nothing. Interesting. Okay. Let's open this up and deposit our iron. I think you're done, bro. Are you finished? Yep. So I guess... Oop, get some oxygen. Watch the oxygen. Oops. Let's try not to die. Queue up a few more. There's one. It's a bit far away, but some gold. Oh, you're actually already queued up. Got one running. And now you don't. I'm going to grab that one. Cool. Really want that automated. So let's grab our iron and copper. So we needed 6. I've got 5 or something, don't I? So let me split this for another 6 is fine. Oh. Okay. So if I go to T for tech, we've got 5. Not sure what to do with hydrogen. Generate hydrogen. Hydrogen generator transform carbon and water into hydrogen. So does that give us like a better power? That number 1 there. Hydro generator. Some more info, please. Does it have anything about... how I can move the ship? Ah, we haven't got splitters yet. There definitely is splitters though. Okay, so maybe there is a way of doing hydropower. Well, hydrogen power, I should say. And maybe it puts out more than this. Interesting. Can I queue up some more asteroids? You'll do. And come on, come into range. Good. All right, so we now have... Still pushing I for that. I'll get back to hydrogen soon. Excuse me. Let's unlock construction. Device to automatically catch asteroids and process them. I like it. So construction allows a constructor to be built. Just make some floor, allows us to make flooring and stuff. I think. Constructor number 2. It's a big unit. I'm assuming I'm going to have to build one eventually. Just wish I could flip it. Power on the other side. Fine for now. Need to push for this automation. To do something with this too. All right, let's see. Got a few minutes left in the episode. I need another... need some more materials in here. So if I want another 6, how many have I got? If I just got the... I've got 2. So I need 4. So let's split 8, I guess. Okay. And that should give us enough to get the automated doobies going. Because that's... As soon as I can automate this, then I've got less problems, right? These two are firing different directions. That's cool. But kind of not. Right. How are we doing here? T for tech. Got 4. Again, I'll again push towards these probably in the next episode because we are getting near the end. I need to work on the hydrogen, but this is something I really want. Come on, one more. Should only be 12 seconds. There it is. Automated catching. Oh boy. So it's just a normal asteroid catcher. Where's the automated one? Can I upgrade the ones I've got? Let's check into that. Can I upgrade you? Need to find out how we can do this. This unlocks an auto asteroid catcher. I'm going to need 6 iron bars and 12 iron plates, which is cool. But I need to be able to find it and select it. So let's grab some more materials. And let me get 12 of them going. And just so I can try and find 2... Is that number 8 one? No, it's not unlocked. It's a constructor. Floors. Harpoons, drill, recycling, yeah. F3. Can't select anything else. F4. Okay, is there like a... I have like a crafting? Something that's not in that list? Yes. Auto asteroid catcher. Okay, auto asteroid catcher done. I'm gonna deconstruct these guys. Deconstruct. Because I've got the material I need. So let's break this. How do I destroy it again? Forget how to destroy something. Oh my. Control and right click. Dawn. Okay. 5. That's just the normal one. And then I want to push tab and construction auto. Got enough for 2. I just need to make sure I put it down the same way, right? So you were... Is it bigger? Nope. It's just I'm not placing things correctly. Hey! Now automated everyone. So now I need another 12 of these guys. So let's do that. So I can get the second one built. And then, you know, by now, end of the episode, we're going to have automated mineral recovery and I'm just going to need to come over occasionally and empty out the old mining setup. That's awesome. I don't know if there's a way of prioritizing stuff. Nope. It just... Oh, you can. You could turn some off and some on. I have no problems with it just getting whatever it can. So as soon as I get that 12, I'll build a second one of these guys. And everything will be hunky-dory. So I'll do that off camera. Thanks everyone for watching. I'll probably mine this and get rid of this whole platform as well. I'm gonna recycle the other asteroid catchers because I don't need them anymore. I'm not going to use manual ones if I've got automated ones. So let's just quickly flow recycler. Cool. Gonna recycle them. We'll get a little bit of material back. Again, it's not heaps, but alright. Anyway, thanks for watching. Comments down below. Hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.